Hi everyone, welcome to Globtech Learning Academy YouTube channel. Myself Varsha. I am working as a software engineer and also a software trainer from Globtech Engineering Solutions, R Nagar, Bangalore. Today onwards, I am going to start Java class. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about introduction part of Java, what is Java and what is the futures of Java. What is Java? Java is a high-level programming language. High-level means human understandable form, which means normal English. And programming language is the medium used to communicate with the system. And this is the definition of Java. And next, who was introduced by Java? Java was introduced by a company called as a Sun Microsystems. And Oracle is the owner of Java. James Gosling was the person who developed a Java. And the first name of Java was Greentalk, but the name was not so popular, so renamed as Hope, but name was already registered by some company, finally renamed as Java Coffee Bean. So the previous name of Java are Greentalk and Oak. And next, what is the futures of Java? The first future is very simple language because syntax in Java is very easy. And next, Java is object-oriented language, means object is nothing but a physical appearance. That means everything is all about object and classes. Class is nothing but a blueprint of an object. And next, Java is platform independent, means Java program we can run in any OS. OS is nothing but an operating system. And next future is Java is extensible, means in order to develop a product or application, here we are not going to use only Java. I can take help of C, C++, Python and anything. I can integrate it with Java and I can develop an application here. And next, Java is portable, means the ability to run a program on different machines. And Java is robust, means it is very strong and it can handle huge application and no virus will harm it. Java is an automatic garbage collector, which means automatically going to delete all the unnecessary object or data. It's going to delete automatically. That's the reason the memory management in Java internally is very efficient here. Okay, these are the features of Java. In this section, you have any doubt, you can comment. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.